Hey, everyone! Today we are looking at Seagull Nest Hoi and Beach Village in Vietnam. Before you book your stay, make sure to check the link or QR code in the description for the best rates and a secure booking process. With only 18 rooms available, this is a small, cozy property rather than a large resort. Expect a personalized, home-away-from-home feeling throughout your stay. You are incredibly close to the coast, with Quad Eye Beach just 460 meters away. And Bang Beach is also a short distance at 1.5 kilometers. The hotel boasts a very high service rating of 9.4 out of 10. Guests consistently praise the staff for being helpful and attentive. This is a great spot for families because children aged 6 to 11 can stay free of charge. They also offer dedicated family rooms. Your stay includes an Asian buffet breakfast. For other meals, there is an on-site restaurant, a poolside bar, and even barbecue facilities. The property scores a 9.1 for value for money. You get high-quality service and amenities that exceed the standard 3-star expectations. The hotel is about 45 minutes from the airport. They offer shuttle and taxi services, as well as bicycle rentals to explore the local area. You can enjoy an outdoor swimming pool with a view, a public bath, and massage services to help you unwind. The rooms are soundproofed to ensure a quiet sleep. Note that there is no elevator on the property, so keep this in mind if you have heavy luggage. If you are traveling with a furry friend, pets are allowed, but please be aware that additional charges will apply. Seagull Nest is a fantastic choice if you want peace, quiet, and amazing service near the beach. To ensure you get the safest deal, use the link or QR code in the description to book your stay.